Do you make videos on YouTube? Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, there's a fantastic opportunity waiting for you. Do you want to earn extra money? Imagine turning your passion into a profitable venture. You can do both with Amazon affiliate links. Amazon is very popular. It's a trusted platform where millions shop daily. People shop on Amazon every day. From electronics to household items, the variety is endless. When you add your special link to your videos, you can earn money. It's a simple yet effective way to monetize your content. Every time someone buys something from your link, you get paid. The more engaging your content, the higher the chances of earning. It's easy to get started. Setting up an Amazon affiliate account is straightforward and quick. You don't need a special account or lots of followers. Even with a small audience, you can start earning. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be making money in no time. There are plenty of resources and tutorials to guide you. Ready to start earning? Let's go. Take the first step today and watch your efforts pay off. First, you need to join the Amazon Associates program. This is the first step to start earning through your YouTube channel. It's free and easy to sign up. You don't need any special skills or prior experience to get started. Just go to the Amazon Associates website. The interface is user-friendly and guides you through the process. Click on the Join Now button. This will take you to the registration page where you can begin your journey. You will need to create an Amazon account if you don't have one. This account will be used to track your earnings and manage your affiliate links. Next, you will fill out a short form. This form asks for basic information about you and your online presence. Tell Amazon about your YouTube channel. Provide details like your channel name, URL, and the type of content you create. Amazon wants to know what kind of videos you make. This information helps them understand your audience better. This helps them show you the best products for your audience. By recommending relevant products, you can increase your chances of earning commissions. Now find products to share on your channel. Go to Amazon.com and search for products. You can find anything on Amazon. Choose products that your viewers will love. When you find a product, click on it. Look for the Share button. Click on it and choose Text. You will see your special affiliate link. Copy this link. This is the link you will add to your YouTube videos. Section 4. Add links to your videos. Go to your YouTube video and paste your affiliate link into the video description. Tell people about the product, be honest, and give your opinion. People trust YouTubers they like. You can also add links to your pinned comment. This is a great way to make sure people see your links. Remember to tell people to click on your link to learn more about the product. Section 5. Start earning with Amazon today. Amazon offers a fantastic opportunity for content creators and influencers to monetize their platforms. By joining the Amazon Associates program, you can earn commissions by promoting products you love. You are now an Amazon affiliate. The sign-up process is simple and quick. Once you receive your confirmation email, you can start exploring the vast array of products available for promotion. Start adding your links to your videos today. Incorporate these links seamlessly into your content, whether it's in the video description, pinned comments, or even within the video itself. The more links you add, the more opportunities you create for your audience to purchase products through your recommendations. The more chances you have to earn money. Track your progress through the Amazon Associates dashboard, where you can see your earnings and performance metrics. It's a fun and easy way to make money from your YouTube channel. Remember to be patient. Success doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent effort, you will see results. It takes time to build an audience and start earning money. Focus on creating high-quality content that resonates with your viewers and encourages them to click on your affiliate links. Just keep making great videos and adding your affiliate links. You will be successful. Stay dedicated, keep learning, and watch your earnings grow over time.